So in this part of the mini course, I will show you exactly how to use Batchy Blendy. Batchy Blendy is a program I created to render renders overnight. It's very simple. I'm going to click on Clear All and remove all of this. Depending on the Blender version you used, you should find the Blender executable path. Now, what does that mean? That means that if you use Blender 4.5, you want to make sure that you have Blender 4.5 right here. Now, click on Browse, go to your program files, go to Blender, Blender 4.5, and select the application right here. Now it's set to Blender 4.5, which is what I used for this entire course. Now we're going to add some blend files. So right here is where I saved all the blend files for this course. We got the final Magnum animation, the Magnum wrapper, Magnum breaking for tutorial, and I had already rendered out the liquid. So let's click on open. That will add all of those files. And if I now click on render all, which is what I'm going to do when I will go to sleep, and it will render everything. Now, if you do click on render, the place where the images will be stored is in the output folder that you specified in this blend file. So for each blend file, you need to have the output folder specified, and then it will render according to your settings. This doesn't open Blender, by the way, it will just render it in the background. So you also don't have viewport performance issues, for example. There's not that much to say about this program. I just think it's very useful that if you have multiple renders, which take approximately 30 minutes, then it's a waste to render it during the day, but you also can't wake up in the night every time in order to turn on a new render. In this way, you can simply segment all your renders and make sure that everything is being done overnight. I think that's pretty cool. So if you're interested, it's on Gumroad and the link is in the description. I hope you enjoyed this mini course thus far. If you did, click on subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Cocoa, chocolate,